back to Kayla's video. So today I'm going to be making some cupcakes and I'm going to show you how to make them. So yeah. So the first thing we need to do is set oven.
Yep, set the oven.
So we already bake it or make it warm or something?
You gotta heat up the oven.
So do bake?
Yep.
Bake.
And 350 is the correct temperature, so you hit what? Start. Good job. See, now it's
So
preheating.
now it's doing that. So now I'm gonna add the eggs.
How many? 3?
Yeah, 3. There's 4 of these, so when we did 3 eggs, there's only gonna be 1 more egg. So. Take out this, put it in there now. Ooh, the eggs are on the way, so I'm gonna move it back over there for a bit. Okay, so it looks like it's good. And we try to not get any like of these like cracks in there. Oh my god. It's so hard.
Oh, it's a frozen egg. That's weird. How did that happen?
I don't know. I hope this still works.
Yeah, you're fine.
If you hear that noise, yeah, that's just my cousin. So. Okay, now this one's good, huh? That one's best. Need 1 more egg. Then you always need to wash your hands after you have done this. So let's wash our hands. Okay, guys, so since I washed my hands, they're all nice and clean. Now we're gonna put the eggs away, but we're gonna put it away when we're kind of done. So now we're gonna put the eggs a little bit at the side. So now, we're gonna mix it, right? Crack that one.
Is that the frozen one?
Yeah, I have to crack it a bit.
Is that your favorite part?
Okay, guys, so since the egg is all mixed, now we're gonna add some water. Right here. Then now we're gonna add some of this oil, and I'm gonna be careful to not try to spill some. Don't want to spill it. Oops. There we go. Oops. Put it in there. So now we need to add the cake mix, of course.
Is this your fun part?
Yeah. So I'm gonna open it with some scissors, and you need to ask some parents to help you with some scissors. If you have some of your own kid scissors and you know how to use your own kid scissors, then that's okay. I think that's good enough. Oh. Okay. So now we're gonna put the cake mix in. Whoa. This is gonna be good. Now let's mix it.
Oh, I should have got a bigger bowl.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Look at all this chocolate.
Does it smell good?
Wait, what they got again? Wait, what they got again? Wait, what they got again?
Okay, cupcake liners.
Cupcake liners. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna put the cupcake liners in these. Then we're gonna put the mix in there, so I'm really excited for that part. And look how pretty these cute are. So here's the first one.
And just, there's only one, right? Gotta be careful with these because they stick together.
Yeah. And I have a big spoon instead of just pouring it in there. It's really a lot easier, so. You're probably not going to need a lot of these, so. And if you think it's too hard to put that in, then you can just ask your mom or your dad. But since I'm not going to need help, because we have this big spoon and I didn't know we did. So we're just going to use the big spoon. And if you don't have a big spoon, then just ask your parents. So, and this is really easy to put these in. You're probably not going to really need a parent to help you with these because these are pretty easy. But you might need parents to like help you like get these out because like what my mom said, it might stick. Okay guys, so now we have all these in and now we're gonna put this in. So just do a big glub mostly. Don't try to add too much in the cupcake. Just try to make it go to the actual top.
So how much do we put in there?
Quite a lot. I need to hurry. Oops. Little messy, but it's okay. Right?
Okay, yep, that's about a good amount.
That's a good amount because when it's in the oven, it will like kind of like rise and stuff. So you don't need too much. Okay, guys, so now this is like the best part. So now we're gonna put these in the oven. You need a parent for this part. So I don't know if I would do it. So I'm gonna ask my mom or no.
Okay, you can open it and then I can put it in there.
Okay. I'm scared to open it.
Okay, just open it slowly.
Okay guys, so since it's in the oven, now we're going to
Set the timer.
set the timer from Alexa. I have to whisper it so she doesn't hear me. So we already did it.
Did it.
Oh. How long did we do it?
22 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 22 minutes. Okay guys, so now the cupcakes are out. Now the other pair are in the oven. So we're just gonna wait and then we'll add the frosting. But we also need to wait until these are also dry, then we can put on the frosting.